Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Teju's Healthy Eats. Snack time is often overlooked when it comes to nutrition. It's easy to grab store-bought snacks, but they're usually full of sugar or salt. With just a little prep, we can make snacks that are fun, packed with nutrition, protein for growth, and healthy fats. Today, I'm sharing two of my daughter's favorite after-school snacks, a nut milk smoothie and a crispy Makhana mix with fruit. They're quick, wholesome, and kid-approved. Here's a nut milk smoothie that's packed with energy, brain-boosting nutrients, and is loved in my home all year round. I like to do a little prep in the morning. Just take 2 cashews, 3 almonds, 1 walnut, 2 pistachios, along with pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and hemp seeds. Add them to a bowl and cover with water to soak until noon. I also soak 2 dates simultaneously. Soaking nuts makes them easier to digest, helps release nutrients like iron, magnesium, and zinc, and improves absorption. And don't forget an important step. Peel the almonds before blending. This not only improves texture but also makes nutrients more bioavailable. In the afternoon, when the kids are back from school, the nuts are ready. Just drain and add them to a blender with 2 majdool dates, a cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a pinch of ground green cardamom. Blend until smooth and creamy. This smoothie can be served chilled in the summer for a refreshing drink or gently warmed in winter for a cozy, comforting version. Either way, it's an all-season favorite in our home. As this blends, let me share the goodness inside. This one serving has about 343 calories and 8.5 grams of plant-based protein. It's rich in healthy fats for brain development, iron for energy, magnesium for muscle function, and zinc for immunity. It's filling yet light, making it the perfect energy-boosting snack for kids heading to sports, dance, art, tutoring, or even extra schoolwork. For younger kids, you can simply serve half a portion, and the best part, this recipe is so versatile. Swap in or out different nuts, seeds, or dried fruits and play with flavors like vanilla, cinnamon, or cardamom to create new versions while keeping portions in check. My daughter absolutely loves this nut smoothie. She gulps it down quickly, then happily runs off to her activities without spending too much time at the table. That's why this has become a go-to snack in our home, quick, wholesome, and perfect for kids. Here's a snack that my daughter absolutely loves, and she calls it her healthy popcorn. The crunchy, puffy Makhana. Makhana is nothing but lotus seeds or fox nuts. It just feels like popcorn, but it's lighter, cleaner, and so much healthier. This is one of our favorite after-school snacks and also a must-pack for road trips or outings. Instead of regular popcorn that's often loaded with sugar, butter, or salty flavorings, this wholesome Makhana mix is packed with protein, healthy fats, and energy-boosting nutrients. I start with 1 cup of Makhana. In a pan, add just a teaspoon of oil, or you can use half oil and half ghee for extra flavor, and roast the Makhana on medium flame with a pinch of turmeric until they turn crunchy and golden. This step is quick, and roasting really brings out the nutty, toasty flavor that the kids enjoy. Once cooled, add the roasted Makhana to a bowl. Then add in 1 tablespoon each of roasted peanuts and sprouted pumpkin seeds. Now drizzle in half a teaspoon of olive oil, sprinkle salt, pepper, and paprika, or any seasonings of your choice, and toss them gently with a spatula until everything is evenly coated. This gives a beautiful balance of crunch, spice, and flavor. As I mix the seasoning in, let me share the goodness inside. This bowl has about 280 calories and almost 12 grams of protein. It's rich in healthy fats for brain power, zinc, iron, and magnesium from pumpkin seeds, and antioxidants from the turmeric and fruit on the side. To make it more colorful and balanced, I always add a side of fruit, like apple slices, blueberries, or strawberries. The sweetness of the fruit pairs perfectly with the savory Makhana mix, making it a fun, flavorful, and complete snack. Not only my daughter, even we love how the Makhana feels just like popcorn. We can munch away happily without us worrying about extra sugar or sodium. With just a little prep, you can make snack time fun, filling, and packed with nutrition. I hope you and your kids enjoy these recipes as much as my daughter does. And I would love to hear in the comments, what's your child's favorite snack? And which one your child would love more, the nut milk smoothie or the crunchy Makhana mix? And if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick, healthy, and kid-friendly recipe ideas. See you in the next one.